For today's video,
Hello,
parkour challenge.
Today, we're gonna parkour with my friends.
Parkour, my friends.
Guys, this parkour is kinda hard. Bro,
May tayo na po.
do you know wonder why we are not very good at parkour? Bro, no.
No, please.
Kumitan sila sumabihan.
Ako patod na ginagkamitan pa ako.
Yeah. Na-bro ko na lang.
Hey! I'm getting revenge! Wag bilang pagkana.
Bro, thanks. By the way. Yeah. No, wow. This is just a sword. I get my sword, but I'm afraid when I die.
I am not very good at parkour.
Very good.
No,
Killing.
keep inventory din eh.
Oh, keep inventory.
Press your bed.
Yeah. Ay, let's see that.
Kabulit nila rin yan.
Bro.
No, yes, tidak ako.
Kaya to. Hey, Ale. Di man ako ale. Namit ako nag-quit. Mag-quit isising sa pangyari. Ang kina.
Inventory.
Utang ina mo. Utang.
Utang hina mo.
Yari na ako dun. I will 10%.
Di ka mo
Infinite chance.
I'm almost there, guys.
Yeah. I didn't even finish.
No!
Guys, I almost made it. Bro,
That one friend is hurting.
how many should I kill?
Katanyang patay ah.
Aray. It hurt me, bro. Why did you do that? Oh, I'm gonna die.
Yes.
It's that point. Yes, I'm not that point. Wow.
Pangil ko.
Ayaw.
Ayun ang Dino. Ba't ako mag-spawn point?
Dino.
Adum.
Aray! Ano kami yung Cuny? I need to... Okay, let's go.
That's cheated one friend.
Lucky na.
Uy, pangapin din sa kami.
Hey, give me some. No, nga.
Here. Is another golden apple. There.
Hero.
With 2 legs. Whoa! Bro, I almost fell. No! Wait, I'm not alone. Ay, why you cannot die? Hindi ako di matay.
Golden apple kasi.
Yo, golden apple. Napuna ako makasakat balik.
Yeah, die, kid. No.
Ito din nangyari. Kill me, bro. Bro, why you...
Noob.
Bro, this is just a broken thingy. Bro, please. Ouch. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Ouch. Ouch.
Tara, uy. Diyan video sa inyo.
Na!
Yatin ito.
You're not alone.
Gino, baka mo
Take down. I'm so
Cheater.
ready to take
Cheater.
down. Steal.
Yale. Ay, legend yun.
Na! Unfair.
That's
Relax,
unfair,
unfair to yan. Yeah. There. Okay. 1 lava kill. Oh!
Sabihan kita ban ko matay people.
Buna jubis ako.
Oy, tayo.
Nagpractice ni kami, Jade.
Bro, matayan na.
Ano ako doon?
Sino mo ang glow kaya matay na.
boat. Yes.
No!
Oh.
Bakay-bakay ko.
No, Jade.
Sana all.
Kani sa video, no? Pasublion ko.
Uy. Kung bisaras nga ako. Kung bisaras nga ako.
Yeah.
My friend G, no?
Guys, look.
Pasublion ko.
Wow.
Magpasublion ko. Hindi ko busan.
Only boat can pass this.
Bakay-bakay ko.
Oy.
First, 1
Oy.
point done.
Boat only, boy.
Boat.
Kami sa napit ko.
Uy, bro.
Masapat.
Na nga, kasi ang sand. Bro.
May sapat. Ayos na ko man. Ay, pagmasapat.
Ang kasi soul sand ah.
I put this in.
Noong soul sand ah.
Pwede dream, maingat.
Nang kasi nyari, takas ko. Kuhan. Soul sand.
Kalila yan doon.
Kiway.
Ay na.
I'm almost at the end. End
Yeah.
of the
Hey, sucker. Sucker boy. I'm on my way, boy.
Almost.
Bye-bye.
Ayan, fair.
Choose wisely.
Okay. 1 point done.
Choose wisely, boy. Straight. Choose wisely. Only boat legs.
Right is always right. Done.
White. Ang balunta.
Ay, hero.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. May ano nangyari, Lada? Bro, it's hard. Natry ko. No.
Matay kayo.
Wait.
Una ko na kani Gino.
Bro, you broke something. Bro.
Maingat pa yung Gino rin kanya.
Ingat ako ni
Basic. Napakaangas.
Go sida.
See that last player?
Sino last player?
Do you know it?
Yeah.
Sadya sa hugin Gino. Lakso!
Bro. Oh, bro, see that kasi. Bro, we always die.
Basta nakatas doon niya.
Bro, gampang na dyan i-change.
Dilong may...
No. Bro, why did you make it hard?
Anak ko ng tali.
You know we're not game.
Me first and you. Everyone, I made this parkour, but it's hard, boy.
Adjust the lightness so we won't run out of battery. Yeah.
Player Alex is legend.
No, yari na. Salamat. Oh, hey, I made it.
Ano daw kay Alex? Yung monitor-net na ito. Di magpasubli. Si Alex.
Oh, player.
Oh my gosh. Salamat. Puno yan yung mag-spawn point.
Bakit niya magpataya? Una ako tiknik.
Choose wisely, boy. No right. Up. Choose wisely. Choose wisely.
Kaya timers.
Baka mo
Ito mo kabindor.
Oh, choose wisely.
And one of them, I'm gonna... You know what? I'm gonna wait for you.
Choose chicken. Choose.
Bro, you cheated once, so I'm gonna cheat too.
Choose wisely. That another
Mag-cheat
one.
ako, sorry. I need to cheat.
Gino, one is a
Gino,
trap,
mga
boy.
bobo kasi kamo. Baka mo magbiyaan na, nagbiya, tuos na.
Maluhay sa mag-pitchy bakit
No cheating.
Lex, hurry up. You know I'm waiting for the world.
Lex, no cheating. Lalay Alex is sub.
Di mo buha. I'm
Jump.
scared.
Oh no! Sorry, Mom.
Wala nagbalik ako, Gino. Oy!
No cheating.
Amo na saya.
No cheating allowed.
You cheated once. So I can cheat too.
No. Pick just one.
Yan. Net.
Teleport on Manta Alex.
Teleport ako. Dito dayan ha. Dito dayan. Gino pa teleport ako.
Sab.
Gino, wait lang. Diyak pa teleport dun.
Oh!
Wait, time first. Kitong go Gino under. Nadi.
Done, boy.
Kikunan niya si block. Ikaw, Gino. Help me. Right is always right, right?
Pick just one.
Right is always right. Kaya amog di maulog kasi legenda. Naway siya naging Katanya. Hindi lang Katanya.
Go na TV ko. Uy, come on man.
Pa-teleport ako balik.
No.
Hindi na ako patay.
Yes, correct.
Simbide.
Gino.
Tambulong ko, Gino.
Ikaw, Gino.
Gino, tambulong ko na.
Pamakaspin.
Balik.
Kailangan. Bro, ang spawn
Bro.
point. Aray.
Hard.
Bro. Wow. Bro. Bro, why did you do that?
Isu yan.
I will die easily. Easy point. Spawn point. You. Bro, they're very good. They're skeletons. Bro, I'm gonna die.
Teleport na ako.
Miss me.
Ay, Gino yun.
Miss me.
Renal, kiba.
Miss me.
Ano na Gino?
Teleport na ako, Gino.
Useless.
Ay, hapit na. Aray, puchi, isimbida.
Kaya nito niya, Alex. Basic
Yeah.
lang niya, Alex. Basic.
Pumunta ko, Gino.
Bro, I'm still alive. Yay! I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Mga kabesa mo.
Around.
Lakso lang.
Yeah! Monica Gadangis with the fire!
Nakasingod sin trick.
I'm gonna...
Yes, anak ko boat. Yes.
You know what? I'm gonna fall. I'm just gonna fall for one. Golden apple ko! Tiwalong Gino!
Kita sa bulto na yan.
No! Bro! Bro!
Yeah. Annoying.
Wait a minute.
I hate this parkour boy. So many times I have to tell you.
The keeper. Hi, Kon. Gino.
So guys, I am in the last. No. Cheaters not allowed in here, boy.
Bro, can you anybody give me a golden apple? Where are you? Okay, I'm here.
Linyari sub.
Hurry up, Lex! Lex, where are you?
Everybody now see that boy.
Gino, cheaters never win. Gino, baka ko cheater. Basta ini. Bro, I didn't connected. Just wait, Minecraft fans. I'm just gonna connect it. Okay. Guys, this way.
Yeah.
Super sneaky lang ito.
So sneaky. Super sneaky. So sneaky. Super sneaky. So sneaky. Super sneaky.
Nakaliw na yung Gino ninga.
No! Help! Help!
Ay, napay na. Because the wifi. Ano yun na Gino? I need to respond again. Lex! Can you teleport me? Please.
This again.
Hey, that's not cheating. It's unfair.
Ah!
Because I died. Because the Wi-Fi was.
Yeah, bruh. I'm in the ground.
Bruh, guys, please help me again.
Noobs!
Nabilas yung kaya may tadya rin cellphone niya rin narurutang.
Tuibe, tu sudah sada.
Then Gina speedrun na. Gina speedrun. Gina maglayo. Magayig niya sa bako. Maglaging signal ko.
Yala tibe, ole tore panada. Ola sige, puso nada.
Unfair ka po. Lex, it's unfair. Can you teleport me, bro?
Ah!
Tay ka magpa-teleport.
No one's teleported in night. Ah! Dismiss.
Miteri.
Do, lingat dito.
Bro,
Kapit na. La ilaha illallah.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah ya salah. Yes, I win. Yes, congratulations. You are winner.
Nawin
Ah,
na
loser.
Gino.
Loser, boy. You want to teleport it, hey, man?
yeah. Mag-teleport ba yan?
Okay.
Ina ko nag-fair and square up.
I have today, dole tune pana.
Bro, why is this game is so rigged? Kita to.
With Asibe, dole tune pana.
Bro, thank you. Karwa. Pagkama sinako keeper fair and square. Ala na.
Congratulations! Salamat! Yo! Wait pa! Ang palas chance!
No, look out, Jack, bro. Can you teleport me?
Kaya muna ka to.
I'm getting this loot
Bro,
for
can
me.
you just teleport me?
Ay, kung mag-teleport yan.
Bro. Why I keep dying?
Ang palas chance!
Who's this? I saw bro.
Ang palas chance!
Bugo no.
Don't fell.
Why lagi bang biyahe?
Jump! Just one last chance.
Where are we gonna jump?
On that hole.
Avoid.
On that hole. Void.
Nabisag ka mo.
Jump. Release.
Where are we gonna jump? Naka mo. Reynald, where are we gonna
That
jump?
jump!
Where do we jump? Layo ka mo. Okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Okay. Jump.
Avoid.
Jump. The void. Look up! Subscribe!
Everybody subscribe to my channel and Reynald's channel. Oh,
Subscribe.
Kipra. Can you do that again, please? Can you just help me? Kipra, yarin bunat parkour.
Layo ni sa Gino.
Bro, can you teleport me? Kipra, yarin bunat ko na. Bro. Kibra,
to Kibra. Subscribe!
Subscribe!
I'm gonna show you how to
Salamat!
guys.
You're a winner!
Subscribe!
Salamat!
Guys, I hope you like this channel. I'm gonna say goodbye.